daily workflow. Let's take a look. I'll just focus on that. Let's take a look at how the current workflow looks for him. First, to export a video, he needs to edit it and export, upload it somewhere. Then he needs to get some feedback, share it with someone, get some feedback, and this whole process starts again. This happens for about 5 to 6 times until the video is considered final. And I didn't even talk about team collaboration, sharing the project, keeping the work in sync, making backups. That's all much, much worse. And meet Maria. She's head of marketing at a large company, a global company. Her problems are different, but the solutions are quite similar. What she needs is to have every video created at headquarters distributed instantly to a lot of countries, and it needs to be localized and translated instantly. At Flixier, we are dramatically improving John's and Maria's daily workflow by removing their frustrations, saving them precious time, and cutting down on hardware costs. To make Flixier so unique, we've built an advanced editing engine that runs in the cloud and can export any video in under 1 minute. Even more, getting feedback with Flixier is as easy as clicking a button and sharing a link. Customers or colleagues can click anywhere to the video and leave a comment with feedback. These comments automatically will show up into your editor. Now all you have to do is focus on your work. Collaboration is just as easy. Simply share the project and start working together in real time, just like you would do in Google Docs. For Maria, it's just as simple. She just uploads a new campaign on Flixier, and instantly she can distribute it to all her regions and all her countries. Then people can just translate the videos instantly, add appropriate call to actions, and publish them for social media or digital signage campaigns. All of this is done in a simplified editor and doesn't require any video editing skills. John is not alone. Like him, there are many other marketing professionals around the world. Our goal is to reach 2 million of those in the next 5 years. And when we're talking about enterprise, we identified about 25,000 companies that could use Flixier to localize their videos for marketing, training, and sales. Our goal is to reach 1,000 of those in the next 5 years as well. To use Flixier, we'll charge them based on a subscription model with prices starting at $25 per month for individuals, plus other available add-ons, and with custom yearly subscription for enterprise. We launched Flixier in the middle of April, and since then we reached 2,500 users. We are also talking with Daimler to integrate Flixier in their localization and distribution workflow. When compared to other products, Flixier offers an all-in-one solution for fast rendering, plenty of storage, collaboration features, and a fast user interface that is simple to use. There is nothing like this out there, and the feedback we received so far was great. Also, when looking at the enterprise market for localization, we couldn't identify any competitors yet. Our Flixier team has a big experience in product development. My name is Paul, and I'm the CEO and co-founder of Flixier. Daniel is our CTO and co-founder. We are friends since high school, and together we also co-founded 2 other startups. We also know Christian and Alex for a long time. They are extremely talented programmers and highly regarded members of their development communities. While Alexander, our advisor, has built many startups and accelerator programs across Europe and was a business strategist at Apple. To reach to this point, we bootstrapped and used about $70,000. Now we are closing an investment round of about $150,000. With this money, we plan to reach $1 million in annual recurring revenue in the next 12 months to sustain our go-to-market strategy and to improve Flixier. Thank you all for listening, and if you know someone in big corporations that could help us with feedback on our enterprise solutions, please talk with us, and I hope you can make an introduction. Thank you.
Thank you as well, and luckily for you, around 8 of those big companies are here in the room, so I hand them over the mic. So who's gonna jump first for a question? Second? Third?
I just want to ask, what's your aim for participating in the demo run? What you hope to achieve? Because it seems you already have some plans on how to raise the funding.
Well, the funding is already raised, but the round is still open, so we could still add some more money to this round. Well, we also want to get more exposure. We want to meet new people, networking, because the enterprise market is difficult, so it's hard to get to talk with people. And right now we are trying to look at who our best customers could be. So enterprise is one of the places where we are looking at, and we need to get feedback from them. So also, I heard there are some cool prizes. We get to show our tool at How to Web in Bucharest if we win something, so maybe that happens. So yeah, plenty of reasons.
I'm just curious because I'm using Google Docs and also the Microsoft Online solution. And actually, they are not always the same features as like the desktop application. Do you see any disadvantages for your users if they are using the cloud solution?
Yes, well, it depends a lot on how do we target the product, because right now we are focused on marketing agencies that are small and that don't create such complicated videos, so they would not feel this need of complex tools. If they need that, they would go to a video editing agency, and then it's a different story. They wouldn't be using our tool.
Do you want to be B2B and B2C at the same time?
No, it's a good question. What we are doing right now is we are trying to find the best market to be in. We noticed this interest from Daimler, which was very important for us, and we got a lot of feedback from them. So that's why we are pursuing this now and talking with more enterprise companies. But we have other segments. YouTubers is a big segment for us as well. There are a lot of small channels that could use a good tool with fast rendering and all these things. So we need to find the best one.
Do you do anything to protect your intellectual property? Because it looks like a nice idea, but people can have more resources than you and try to build it again faster. Thought about it?
Yeah, we thought about it. It's quite difficult. If we apply for a patent, it will automatically be public. And then people can look at it. And then we will have to fight them if somebody decides to copy it. And we don't have the resources right now. Yeah, we don't know what to do in this situation. It's complicated. Yeah, if you have any feedback, we can talk later. Yeah.
And on this spot of my colleague, are you willing to sell the business? And what is your level when you sell the business?
After Series D investment, maybe, or at IPO.
All right. Great lessons from startup founders as well, as you see. So it was back and forth this night. Thank you. Let's give another round of applause.